Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of LSSC. LSSC is a lightning shared scooter company that aims to revolutionize the urban mobility. This is a business model, and they claim it is a Hong Kong based company in which you can invest and buy scooters, and then you can share the scooters with other people to earn the profit. Pretty simple, right? But now let's deep dive into what people say about this investment. So here I came across a Reddit post where a person shared that he actually invested in this company, and it is totally a scam because people are actually losing more money than they are making. And apart from that, if we deep dive into the company's review on Trustpilot website, they have a score of 3.7 out of 5 stars, which is pretty above average score. But here is a red flag. It is based on only one review, and this company is not very old. It was actually created in 2024 and got registered at the second or third month of 2024. So which also raises concerns about this company. So in conclusion, I would say that this is very much particularly a scam, and you should be aware of these downsides of before investing in this company. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.